Good morning, everybody. Today, Abel and I are going to a parade, so stay tuned. Alright, so this little town has a railroad station and they celebrate it every year. It's a week-long celebration, but today is the parade. So we're going to go downtown and check it out, and we'll take you along. You like that, Abel? What was that? Well, tell Mimi, what was it? Say the horse? Yeah. Done with the parade. Abel and I enjoyed that. We enjoyed touring the train museum, and we met up with our biker buddies, and my brother-in-law was there and his wife, so that was kind of cool. We ran up and down Old Town. I took a couple pictures and videos of that, and we're heading back now to the house to have some lunch, and then I'm packing Mr. Abel up and taking him back to his mom. We're going to meet halfway. And then I will finish this video up this evening in the camper, because I did a couple of things. Actually, I had Abel help me. So I'll show you those, and I'll be back shortly. Bye-bye. Alright. So we're home. I have dropped Abel off. Just taking his motorcycle back to the shed. That's a little setup outside. That's Hugs and China. We have them a stake in the middle of the yard so they can't wrap themselves up. And then our little shed is back here, and we have sort of straightened it out. I just burnt some stuff in our fire pit over there, and behind it is the loading system for the motorcycle when we go on the road. So here's the shed. Yeah, we've got everything in cupboards and on shelves, except for a generator that sits in the middle of the floor and the dolly and this little television and a fan when it's hot out here. These chairs didn't sell with the table that we had in the living room, so we just bought them up here, but we'll be getting rid of those. And then behind that we've just got all our storage boxes, and then the washer and dryer is going to go here. That's a dryer that they had before, but it doesn't work very well, so we're going to take that out and then put our washer and dryer in here, and if I want to do laundry out here I can. So there we are. Now I'm going to take you inside and show you what I did in there. Okay, so a couple things I did inside. We had the reflectix on the window so I could never see out, but here we don't get sun on this window until the evening. So I got some blackout curtains that are supposed to be good for keeping out heat in the summer and keeping the warmth in the winter. Now I only paid $3 for this. It was one panel at the Dollar General, and I thought, well, I'll just try it. It does work, but I'm not happy with this because our sheer has an upper section, and this one did have an upper section, so you could put it actually through here and then you'd have the same thing on top. But because I had to cut it in half, this is the bottom part, and that doesn't have that second seam. So I saw them at Walmart for like $9, so I'm just going to get some different ones if they work. This is only the first day that they've been up. But it's nice, you know, to be able to pull them back during the day and actually see outside and have some extra light in here. So we'll see how that goes. The other thing I did is on this wall next to the stove, this was just painted like this one, but the grease kept splashing the wall, so it was getting really nasty there. So what I did is I found that is contact paper that I purchased at the Dollar General for $1.50, I think. It's the stuff you use to line your drawers, and I just, with the help of my grandson, Abel, who peeled the backing off, just put it up there and stuck it to the wall. And this is sort of plastic, so when the grease hits it I can just wipe it off now. Now if you look super duper close, there's a seam right here, but when you are looking at it from this angle it's very hard to see it. So I'm liking that. I hope it stays cleaner, and those are the only two things I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed our video today. We will be back soon with more. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.